Modification in PCR. MCQ number 1. What are possibilities which can occur until the temperature has reached for primer annealing? MCQ number 1. Extension does not start until the appropriate temperature is reached. Option B is extension may start even when the temperature is low. Option C is at low temperature there is specific annealing of primer taking place. Option 4. There are more specific products which are generated. The correct option is option B. Extension may start even when the temperature is very low. MCQs number 2. Hot start PCR is modification of PCR. Which of the following is not corresponding to it? 1. The basis is that extension is not started until the first cycle reached its maximum temperature. B. The polymerase is added after first cycle has reached its maximum temperature or melting temperature. C. It is satisfactory for small number of samples. D. It leads to generation of non-specific product. All the options are correct except it leads to generated of non-specific product for hot start PCR. MCQs number 3. An alternative to adding polymerase at later stage is make the polymerase inactive by binding it to an antibody. B. Introduce the polymerase or magnesium in clay beads. C. Make the polymerase inactive by attaching groups which cause steric hindrance. D. Introduction of polymerase or magnesium in plastic wires. The correct option is option A. Making the polymerase inactive by binding it to an antibody. MCQs number 4. The primer annealing temperature is often vary from maximum temperature. This low temperature leads to some mismatches. This statement is true. MCQs number 5. If two successive PCR are carried out, it is called as touchdown PCR, hot start PCR, combined PCR, nested PCR. The correct option is option D. It is a nested PCR. MCQs number 6. Touchdown PCR is another modification. Its characteristics include lowering the temperature for primer annealing. Primer annealing is done at high temperature initially. The temperature is abruptly reduced in second cycle. D. In earlier cycle, less stringent condition are there, and in later cycle, more stringent condition are there. The correct option is option B. Primer annealing is done at a high temperature initially. MCQs number 7. If two successive PCR are carried out in which PCR there are chances of having non-specific product. First PCR, second PCR, both the PCRs, it depends on annealing temperature. The correct option is option A. First PCR. MCQs number 8. The process of inserting an amplified PCR product in a vector for cloning is known as making library, insertion, making a hard copy. The correct option is option C. Making a hard copy. MCQs number 9. How can PCR produced be cloned into a vector? It can be done by when PCR product are blunt-ended. It can be done only by restriction enzyme digestion. Both the method can be used. The blunt-ended approaches is favored. The correct option is option B. It can be done only by restriction enzyme digestion. MCQs number 10. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding to cloning of PCR product? Option 1. In cloning where restriction enzyme restriction sites are introduced before amplification is carried out. Option B is restriction sites are introduced in the primer before annealing. C. The intermediate molecules are having restriction site at both end. The option 4 is the amplification molecule can be cut the both end by appropriate enzyme. The correct option is option C. The intermediate molecules are having restriction site at both ends. MCQs number 11. Topoisomerase I is also used for cloning of PCR product at a time. Which of the statement holds true for such type of cloning? The correct option is option D is correct for such cloning. The restriction site is induced into PCR primer used and topoisomerase enzyme is induced into vector. MCQs 12. Generally, amplification is carried out between the PCR primers. But if amplification is carried out outside the primer, it is called inverse PCR, circular PCR, non-conventional PCR, in situ PCR. The correct option is option A. It is inverse PCR. Other modification of PCR. MCQs 1. Which of the following is not done if amplification of non-flanking region is carried out? Correct option is option D. Again, the molecules are Reynolds and non-sequence is the middle. MCQs 2. Reverse transcriptase PCR is also carried out at time. Which of the statement is true? Amplification of RNA sample is not required for knowing the abundance of mRNA. B. Both the start and end primer are used. C. Only a single complementary DNA strand is synthesized before the PCR. D. Primer used is always specific. The correct option is option D. The primer used is always specific. MCQs number 3. Which type of PCR allows the use of permeabilized tissues? Inverse PCR, in situ PCR, quantitative PCR, hot start PCR. The correct option is option B, in situ PCR. MCQs number 4. How many approaches are there for measuring the quantity of PCR product? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct option is option 2. MCQs number 5. Which of the statement hold true for quantitative PCR? The correct option is option C. The quantity of DNA is simply measured by measuring the amount of fluorescence. MCQs number 6. In another method of quantitative PCR, reporter quencher setup in used. Which of statement hold true for this methodology? Correct option is option B. The promoter and quencher are the molecules present on same probe. MCQs number 7. By using two oligonucleotide, we can measure the amount of quantity of DNA by measuring the amount of fluorescence. The first probe observe light and second emit it at a particular wavelength. This statement is true. MCQs number 8. Choose the correct statement with regard to quantitative PCR. Endpoint PCR is favorable over real-time PCR. In real-time PCR, quantification is done as the reaction is going on. C. If the product measurement is done after the completion, then the measurement is done by target sequence and no other factor affected. C. If the primer are available in limited amount, then the product obtained is proportional to the target sequence. The correct option is option B. In real-time PCR, quantification is done as the reaction is going on. This statement is correct for quantitative PCR. MCQs number 9. Mutation is never deliberately introduced in PCR product. True, false. The correct option is option A. This statement is true. MCQs number 10. If amplification of one of strand is preferred, the modification of PCR is known as single-stranded PCR, partial PCR, asymmetric PCR, enrolled PCR. The correct option is option C. Asymmetric PCR. MCQs 11. Which statement is incorrect for uncontrolled PCR? The correct answer of this is tails are added enzymatically to region of non-sequent is not correct statement for MCQs number 12. Emulsion or droplet PCR is another modification of PCR. Which of the statement hold true? It is possible to incorporate the reagent in lipid drops. It refers to PCR carried out large scale. C. The temperature variation is not possible easily. The correct option is option A. It is possible in incorporate the reagent in a lipid drop. MCQs number 13. Isothermal amplification is carried out at the time. Which statement is true? It is carried out typically at 65 centigrade is a true statement for this.